going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of eBerg Outdoors. I'm currently at Walmart. We are headed to Edinburgh now. Had to stop and get some targets. It's primitive weapon season now. Haven't been able to upload much lately. Been working so dang much till ain't had time. This afternoon we're gonna run down there. I gotta grab my climber out of a tree. Grab all my camera equipment out of that tree. We're gonna go to a different spot. I'm tired of. It's been a rough season already. Haven't been able to find any bucks. Finally started getting pictures of some, and I don't know. It's been kind of rough. So this afternoon, I found a good spot during bow season. It wasn't a good spot to really bow hunt, so we're gonna try it. I should be able to get in there with my old 444 and make something happen if a good one comes out. What it is, it's on the edge of a slough, kinda. It's a big duck hole basically where we duck hunt, and it meets a pine thicket. And so I'm gonna climb in between those two. Be a good transition line. I think finally got a good cold snap. Supposed to be down in the 30s tonight. I'm not gonna hunt in the morning, just this afternoon, and I'm gonna come back for tomorrow afternoon. Try to get any hunt. So we're trying to make some things happen. I got a bunch of stuff I got to upload that I haven't yet. Just over the course of the past 2 weeks, it's just gonna be a big compilation, pretty much, of just what we've been doing. And I've been hunting in Pearl some. I hadn't had time to get up here, so. Well, y'all stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in the woods this afternoon. What's up, everybody? We just got down here. It's the first time I've ever sat in this spot. There's a big deer trail coming in here, hundreds of tracks. So, see if we can't get a Pearl River bottom buck. Y'all take it easy. What's going on, everybody? Day 2 in this new spot. Saw some bucks yesterday. They were well past being able to film at light. We're gonna hang out and see what happens. There's a whole bunch of tracks in here. I'm gonna leave my climber in this tree for the rest of the year. I'll probably hunt this spot. There's so many acorns, and it's a good spot. So we're probably about 25-30 foot up. Got the old harness on, muddy harness. Y'all check them out. Well, y'all hang out with us and we'll see what we can come up with. It's been a long couple weeks. I haven't really had that much luck lately. Last weekend we had a good 140, 150 size buck, actually right here. We're not shooting anything besides this buck. 100%. That's it. It's 1:30, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That glare is probably bad. Oh well. I'm new at this recording, so it's hard. Anybody who wants to try to film their own hunts, doing it by yourself is hard. getting the camera right, make sure the zoom is out. You get a big shooter buck come out and everything goes out the window. I'm just kind of depressed from last weekend still. I hadn't really got my mojo back, but we'll see. Well, everybody, didn't really have much action this afternoon. I saw 4 does. Camera's running out of lights, so we'll go ahead and climb down and get on back. We'll try to be out here in the morning. I think the spot might be about burnt, but we'll give it one more day to see what happens. Y'all take it easy.